Hey guys, so in this video, let's take a look at why gold price has been dropping so hard lately. So first of all, let's take a look at the technical chart. So as you can see, this is the 1-year chart for gold price. And then you can see that I drew 3 purple lines. So these 3 purple lines are the short-term support lines. All right. So as you can see, currently gold price is trading on the first support line. Right, the first purple line, right? And then you can see that the Friday's close was a green candle, right? So gold price was up on Friday. So I'm hoping that, gold price can rebound from here. And if not, then you can see potentially gold price could drop to like 1720. If 720 doesn't hold, then it could potentially goes down to around 1680. Yeah, so that's how I see it in the chart. And another indicator I want to show you guys is the so if you look at the orange line, so the orange line is the 200 days moving average. All right, and then the yellow line is the 50 days moving average. So you can see that right now the yellow line is crossed with the orange line going downwards. So this is called a death cross. So a death cross is a very bearish indicator. So I just wanted to let you guys know and why I think this is bearish for gold price in the short term. But in the bright side, I still think that I think gold price is still in the secular bull market. So if we look at like the 5-year chart, so you can see the long-term gold price still remain bullish. So now let's talk about why gold price is dropping in a macro point of view. So first of all, let's take a look at the bond yield. So you can see the US Treasury bond 10 years, you can see that is right now it's at 1.34%. And if you look at like the 30 years, is now at over 2%. So you can see how bond yield is rising, right? So bond yield is on the rise. And basically a lot of people is taking money out of bond, right? And since the yield is higher, it makes the bond more attractive. So that could be one of the reason for gold price dropping. And then another reason is Bitcoin, obviously, right? So as you may know, Bitcoin do serve the similar purpose as gold, right? A lot of people believe that Bitcoin is digital gold. And yeah, and if you look at like this is the 1-year chart for Bitcoin, and you can see that Bitcoin is going up a lot, right? It just keeps going up basically. And then right now Bitcoin is trading at around $56,000 per Bitcoin. Yeah, that's crazy. And like basically a lot of people, I'm sure that a lot of the capital that should be going into gold has moved to Bitcoin, right? And at current state, it seems like Bitcoin is more favored than gold. And I put Tesla as an example where they bought like 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. So I think rise in Bitcoin price and how more people is moving into Bitcoin puts pressure on the gold price. At least for the short term. And then the third reason why I think gold is under pressure is silver price, right? So you can see, okay, so this is the 1-year chart for silver price. And you can see silver price is basically the chart for silver price looks very bullish. Like it's still in the uptrend. No major support has been broken. And then they are trading above the 50 days and 200 days moving average. And then also, if you look at this indicator here, so back in July, there was a golden cross was formed. So basically, if you look at the yellow line, which is the 50 days moving average, crosses with the 200 days moving average going upwards, right? So this is called the golden cross. Golden cross is a very bullish indicator, right? Opposite of death cross. And fundamentally speaking, like, as you may know, like silver and gold is both are money. And as for silver, silver has 2 identities, right? Dual status. First one is silver is a monetary metal, just like gold, right? And then silver is industrial metals, right? So right now you can see how the world is moving towards green energy and electric vehicles, right? So that makes silver very attractive industrial metals because silver are used in a lot of these technologies, right? Even other technologies like, phone, computers, they all have silver in it, right? So, but in terms of the demand, like for the green energy, like there could be a huge demand for silver because like solar panels, electric cars all require a larger amount of silver. And also silver recently has been in the media, right? People talks a lot about silver recently. I think that a lot of the attention was taken away from gold, right, to silver. It makes sense for people that who own gold to switch to silver, right? If you hold silver, you still have the same similar exposure as holding gold, right? And one more good part about silver is that is industrial metals, and that's why it has the two kicker when you're holding silver. And yeah, so that's how I see it. And yeah, and let me know what you guys think. And also, like, even though gold price could potentially drop more, but I still think that we are near the bottom than top. Simply because, like, if you look at the gold producers, right? So a lot of the gold producers are like down like 30 to 40%, like a lot of them. So if we are still in a secular bull market, like, do you think that gold producer just dropped like 80% in a secular bull market? Like, I don't think so, right? That's why I think that we are near the bottom than top. But that's just my opinion, and as you know, I'm more like a fundamental guy. So for fundamental guy, I still think that gold is very strong fundamentally. Gold is gold, and you cannot replace gold. And yeah, so I still think that gold is still in a secular bull market. But again, I could be wrong. I'm still holding a lot of gold stocks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.